The portable solar generator, with a 300W capacity, paired with a 40W solar panel, presents an intriguing option for those seeking reliable power on the go. This compact power station is designed to provide a sustainable energy solution for various outdoor activities, emergencies, or even for occasional use at home. At first glance, the generator's design is functional and user-friendly. The robust casing suggests durability, which is essential for portable devices often subjected to varying environmental conditions. Weighing in at a manageable size, it can be transported easily, making it suitable for camping trips, tailgating events, or as a backup power source during outages. The generator boasts a 300W output, allowing it to support a variety of devices, including small appliances, lights, and smartphones. It features multiple output ports, including AC outlets, USB ports, and a DC car port, which enhances its utility. This versatility allows users to charge or power several devices simultaneously, catering to different needs whether one is in the great outdoors or in a home setting. Integral to the generator's function is its compatibility with the included 40W solar panel. This solar panel can harness sunlight to charge the generator, promoting a renewable energy source. It is compatible with various solar panels, offering flexibility for users who may want to upgrade or utilize different panels based on their preferences. The ability to recharge using solar energy adds an eco-friendly element to the product, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. In terms of usage, setting up the portable solar generator is straightforward. Users can easily connect their devices through the various ports without requiring technical expertise. The solar panel can be positioned at optimal angles to capture sunlight effectively, although it is worth noting that performance can be affected by weather conditions and seasonal changes. Therefore, it may be advisable to have alternative charging methods available, such as AC charging. In conclusion, the portable solar generator, accompanied by a 40W solar panel, presents a practical solution for individuals seeking mobile power. Its blend of portability, versatility and output options, and compatibility with solar energy may serve a wide range of users. Whether for outdoor adventures or emergency preparedness, this generator offers a sustainable approach to energy needs, making it a noteworthy consideration for those exploring portable power solutions.